Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Remitly for independent earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Remitly website or download the Remitly app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed or the website is open, click on the Get Started button. Select the option that best describes your needs, such as sending money or earning with Remitly. For new users, you will need to create an account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link to verify your account. After verifying, return to the app or website and log in with your email and new password. As a first-time user, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. Enter your full name as it appears on your identification documents. Next, provide your phone number for account recovery and security verification. Choose your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Fill in your date of birth to help verify your identity. To ensure secure transactions, you will need to provide your address. Follow the prompts to enter your street address, city, state, and postal code. Remitly may ask for identification to verify your account. Be prepared to upload a government-issued ID. After uploading your ID, you may also need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill. Once all documents are submitted, wait for Remitly to verify your identity. This may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once your account is verified, log in to your Remitly account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can manage your transactions and earnings. Explore the features to understand how to send money and access earning opportunities. When ready, follow the steps to begin sending money or earning money through the platform. Ensure to keep your account information secure and monitor any transactions or earnings closely. That concludes the registration process for independent earnings with Remitly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.